Hey everyone, this is Lorele with WTI. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to get crystal clear audio on your iPhone recordings, then you need to check out this Moman wireless microphone. One of the things I love about it is that setting it up is a breeze. You don't need extra equipment, no Bluetooth, no apps needed. You just plug in the receiver into your iPhone, turn on the mic, and they pair up automatically. It's just that simple. This mic has omnidirectional sound reception and noise reduction technology, so it captures clear audio no matter where you are. It's also super versatile. You can hold it, clip it on your shirt, and even works up to 65 feet away. It's perfect for blogging, live streaming, or even just recording notes. Plus, it's fully compatible with iPhones and iPads, and it comes with a connector and charging cable. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 8 hours, which is fantastic. And the best part is that it's affordable. You get all of these great features for a really great price. So if you're looking for an easy to use, reliable microphone, I really recommend you get yourself one of these Moran wireless microphones, and that is my point of view.